Hello guys, so this is my 2000 CBR 600F4 and here with me I have the Puig windscreen. It's a clear visor windscreen for my CBR. So let's install this today and see how it is going to look on my bike. I have personally never seen anyone with this visor anywhere, so it'll be cool to put this video on YouTube and see how many people watch this. So let's get down to it. Last screwdriver, short one like this to quickly remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws over here. So let's do that. So once all the screws are out, just quickly shake it around and it should come out. So Puig did not offer me these rubber washer, whatever stuff. This is grommet or something. So I'll have to reuse these 1, 2, 3, 4 of these in that. One and that. And other thing is, this is my OEM visor windshield. As you can see the black thing and Honda inside. So it developed small cracks over the time. So I got it tinted. Yeah, so that's the best way of getting a dark visor with OEM quality. So just tint your old ones, guys. It's gonna last. By the way, do remove these two small screws on the sides so it is easier for the visor to go in and out, because the rubber grommets are big, so it's getting stuck in this. So make sure you just pull these out slightly so it's easier. I just peeled the wrap and it was so satisfying, I'm not kidding. Anyways, so I just put one grommet, so you have to put 3 more like that from the old one. Okay, so I put all the 4 grommets. It took me about 10 minutes to put just these 4, so you can understand. I suggest you order some extra new ones, so in case you tear these, you have new ones to put. So let's start putting this.
Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me.